Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this easy fade effect in a Canva without using any pro feature or any third-party app. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just need to open a new page, searching for any element what I already used or using the same image what I used before. I just increasing a bit the size, and as you can see here I used a blue. Now would like to use something pinkish or something like this. So first I need a shapes. I'm going to normal square, or if you just click on the Canva and hit the S. No, this is not. This is not a normal square. Okay, maybe I was bad and I need a letter R as a rectangle, not square. So okay, we just need to hit the letter R to get the square, but also we can search in the elements. So I just increasing the size and going to the colors, scrolling down to the gradient colors, and just choose one, not important which one, and yeah, we will change it. Click on the edit, go in one of the color what we need. Best is to the right side, because when we click a new, that will be copying this one. So I just click on this, and I need something, as I mentioned, something pinkish. Moving somewhere to here now. So I just add 4 and just removing the black. So that the part what we will show is on the right side. So click on the right color, right side color, and removing the opacity to 0. The second one, I think remove till like 30 or 40%, like 30, 35, 36 is good. And the third one, I just remove to 70, like, yeah. Maybe this is not the best one. So we just need to play a bit. So moving back, no. I need this. Click on the settings of this color. So maybe we need to add one more and change this to 25. Change this to 50-ish. And this one to already, no, it's better. This is how we can play with it. So this is also depends of the size of the portion what we would like to show, what is in the image, how is in the image. So that's this is how we can play with it. Or like here we can also change the direction. So this is actually the same thing, just oops. As you can see, I changed the style from the linear 90 degrees to linear 180 degrees. We can also doing like this if you want to do this crossing it, or like circle, or just a partial like this circular gradient, but this is just a smaller part. This is the full circle. But for this image, this is a perfect alignment, 180 degrees. For when we use this, you can do it from left to right or right to left. You can change, the order of these colors, or just change the opacity in the opposite direction. We can do up to the bottom to the top, or top to the bottom, as I wish, or as we wish. So that's a pretty easy tool to get those beautiful faded images without using any paid third-party app or without any pro feature. So that's a pretty straightforward, easy thing to get these eye-catching images. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section just to feed the algorithm, or if you're struggling anything in a Canva, just let me know and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find links for my Instagram page, TikTok page, and Facebook page, where you can find a bunch of another Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial is really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.